If you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just using a light brown just to blend out the crease. So I'm just going back and forth, and I'm going in circular motions, and I keep repeating this step. Just keep blending and blending. Now I'm just applying a little bit more colour, and I'm blending again. The key to this look is just to keep blending. Blend, 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 blend. Ugh. Now I'm using a darker colour just to go in my crease a bit more, just a bit under that colour. And the same step, blend, blend, back and forth, and I'm going in circular motions and just blending those colours together. More blending. I'm showing you, I'm just blending, I'm blending, I'm blending. Now I'm just cutting the crease. I'm just doing a soft cut crease for this look, a very soft. So I'm just using some concealer, and I'm just doing the outline of my crease first of all. And just following where my eyeball is and just going over that. Using the rest of the concealer just to blend the rest of the eye. So now I've done the outline, I can blend the concealer and bring it onto the eyelid. Now I'm adding a very dark purple. I don't like using black, so I'm using the dark purple, and I'm just concentrating on the edge of the eye. And I'm going in circular motions, circles, circles, and just blending just the outer part, and just blending out that colour. Blending, 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 and I'm slowly taking it over to where I cut the crease. Now I'm going a bit more over. I'm just using this pinky colour just for the lid. It's kind of like a pinky metallic shimmery colour. First I just pat on the colour, then I take my time and work my way up to the crease. Now with that dark purple, I'm just lightly blending that colour onto the pinky colour, just to marry the colours together. So I'm just blending the two colours together. Now I'm doing my eyeliner. I'm not the best at doing eyeliner, but I just draw the line outward first, and then at the tip of that line I just bring it forward. I just do the outline of the eyeliner first, then I fill in the colour. Some mascara before I apply my falsies. I'm just looking down at my mirror, and then I'm applying the lashes over my natural lashes. And I'm kind of trying to make it as close together with the fake lashes and my lashes. Just using this primer, it's an oil primer, very good for dry skin from MUA. Just rubbing that into my skin because my skin is very dry. I'm just applying some lip balm onto the lips. I'm just going to be highlighting and contouring, and then I'm going to be applying foundation afterwards. This is a new technique that I saw online, so I thought I'd try it out. Now I'm just applying my black opal as a contour. I love black opal for contour. Their foundation sticks are perfect for foundation and for contouring. I'll use this for contouring. I think this colour is hazelnut. So I'm just blending that out with a brush. And I have to contour because whew, your girl's been eating during this lockdown. Eating good. And I'm using the concealer to clean up the eyeliner and the eyeshadow, just to give it a sharper look. Applying some translucent powder. This is from Krylon. And just setting underneath the eyes. Setting my contour with a lighter colour. This is from MAC Cosmetics. This is a beautiful pressed powder. Spraying this mist all over my face. Spray, spray, spray. I have dry skin, so I need to make sure my face is covered in setting spray. Now I'm applying loose highlighter because, like I said, I have really dry skin, and the loose highlighter just helps me keep that dewy highlight finish rather than looking like some powdered gold just stuck on my face. Applying it on the nose bridge, on the tip of the nose, cupid's bow, chin, cheekbones. Just blending that with my fan brush. Is it a fan brush? Yeah, my Real Techniques fan brush. Now I'm just applying some Techniques highlighter in 24 karat gold on the brow bone. Just adding those little details to the makeup look. X Factor pink lip crayon. It's really pretty. Just adding like a nude pink on top of that. And my lips. Just add a bit more definition. Blend it out with my finger. And that's the finished look. If you do like this look, please like and subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video.